Hello, we're here today to talk about the 5020 series Flowmore injection pump. You've obviously bought a Flowmore product and we thank you for your business. You can see we have a QR code down here. You'll find the QR code on the pump and also on the box to view this installation and operations video. Thank you again for purchasing Flowmore products. So we're going to get started and talk about the 5020 series. The model number on this pump is a 5025, which is a 3/4 inch fluid end. And we'll talk about a little bit more about what the fluid end is trimmed with later. So we're going to get started. Once you take the pump out of the box, there's a few items that are shipped loose in the box, and we're going to go over those items now. You have an A131 safety relief valve. You have a A558 grease jack. Also, you have an A2599 air breather. Also, you have a Flowmore pack and adjustment wrench, which we'll talk about a little later with the fluid end. So let's get started. I'm going to remove all the plugs that are protecting all the threads, and also the protector on the threads for the relief valve. You also want to take a minute to Teflon tape everything good to help prevent leaks. So we're going to go ahead and get the safety relief valve installed. You get that nice and snug. Take your air breather. Get that threaded in. And the grease jack we're going to talk about a little later when we get to adjusting the fluid end. So what we're going to talk about is the maximum supply pressure to run the 5020 series is 50 psi. This regulator and gauge assembly